All right, people. Welcome back to I Am Sure Sport. It's an exciting Saturday morning coming on the back of the Jamaica senior and junior trials. The senior trials, of course, is for the Olympics in Paris. Yes, and we saw some stunning performances by our athletes in the 100 meters for men, 100 meters for women, and also in the 400 meters for men and the 400 meters hurdles for women. All I can say is wow, wow, wow. You may have thought like Jamaican track and field is dying, is dead because there is no more Usain Bolt. But if you thought so, you better believe in the resurrection and the life. Indeed. But we're gonna get into some stuff. We're gonna send a next message to Mr. Shannon Sharpe. Or should I say Mr. Shannon Dull. But before we get into that, remember, this is I Am Sure Sports and I am Manning Man. And as usual, we ask you to do three things for us. Quick and fast. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share. We are going to go slowly, but surely we're going to get there. All right? Have you done that? Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now that you've done that, let me get into the meat of the matter. But firstly, let us give thanks to the Most High God. We say rejoice in the Lord always. And again, I say rejoice. He is absolutely fantastic. And this morning, make a joyful noise unto the Lord. Serve him with gladness. Come before his presence with singing. Yes. Continue to look to the hills from whence cometh your help. Your help comes from the Most High God. You know that he will not suffer your foot to be moved. He keeps you and he never ever slumbers, and he never ever sleeps. He's good. Even in the bad times, he is absolutely good. So let's get into number one. In Jamaica, we say, let me cut my tent to speak to Mr. Shannon Sharpe. He may not have any program until Monday, and he may not respond to this. But Mr. Sharpe, having watched the Jamaican trial, are you willing to retract your words recently about Shakara Richardson, the Jamaicans? Are you still holding on to that? Are you? Stephen A. Smith was warning you on that show. Medals are not won at trials, they're won at the Olympics. And we will always be there, Jamaica. So let's look at the finals of the women's 100 meters. Let me give him the time, seeing that he was not watching, because it seems or it appears that only America, the United States of America, will be at the Olympics. If you listen to Shannon Sharpe, Mr. Sharpe, we had some sharp finishes yesterday, sir. Number one, in the women's 100 meters final, oh my Lord, Sherika Jackson won. She's from MVP track club, went to Vere High School, did college in Jamaica at the University of Technology. 10.84. First place. Check the time. In second place, Tia Clayton. 10.90. Went to Edwin Allen High School in Jamaica. Was schooled and is being schooled at the University of Technology. 19 years old, also a part of MVP Track Club. Third place, the wily veteran, Shellyan Fraser Price, 10.94. Formerly of MVP, now at Elite Performance Track Club. Went to Woolmer's Girls, studied at the University of Technology. The most decorated female athlete in the history of track and field. Come on now, Stephen A. Smith. Come on now, Shannon Sharpe. Don't play around. We could go to Sasha Lee Forbes in fifth and Kemba Nelson. But for now, we will stop there. We are going to go to the male side, my friend, to give you, oh my word, what did we see? In 2 years, this is the fastest time run by a male athlete. 2 full years. When he ran on Friday, well, on Thursday, when the trial started, that was his first 100 meters race of the year. When he ran this time in the finals, it was his third 100-meter race of the year. Remember the last trial, that was last year, 2023. This athlete false started. His name is Kishane Thompson of MVP Track Club. Went to Garvey Massey High School in the cane fields of Clarendon. They call it the School of the Cubans. 9.77. When the world record was broken by Asafa Powell, this was the time. He is now the 9th fastest man of all times in the 100 meters. You know who else is there? Usain Bolt, Ewan Blake, Tyson Gay, Justin Gatlin, Christopher Coleman, Fred Curley, Asafa Powell, Kishane Thompson of Jamaica. 9th fastest of all times. Remember that. In second place, Oblique Civil. Oh my word. 9.82 of the Racers Track and Field Club. Do you know who is formerly of Racers? Usain Bolt and Ewan Blake. This guy is being conditioned by Mr. Glenn Mills. Oh my word. Then we have Akeem Blake and 9.92. So, when you see the trials in America, don't dish out medals. Don't dish out medals. It doesn't work like that. We're coming in from the cold. It's you I'm talking to now. When one door is closed, another one is open. The Usain Bolt era is over. But another door has opened for Kishane Thompson, Akeem Blake, Oblique Civil. We have a belt, a continuous belt going, producing athletes. So don't mess around. So Mr. Shannon Sharpe, be careful what you say. Again, you have awoken the sleeping lions and lionesses of Jamaica. Yeah. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. I am Man's man. Oh, let me remind you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. I am Man's man. This is I Am Sure Sports. And you know, when it gets to this point of the show, we bob and weave and say we are over and we are OUT out of here. Up close and personal. In your face, Shannon Sharpe.